Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your clock on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the home button down below and or at the top, and then click on clocks, which is the first option. Then here you can find the My Clocks section, and if you want to add your own clock, tap on the plus icon at the top. Click on Let's Go. Tap here to set the section to find out or to set what kind of clock you want to create, such as alcohol, smoking, drugs, pornography, codependency, depression, anger, relationships, shame, food, gambling, work, video games, self-harm, or shopping. So tap on the relevant one and click on the button next in the middle of the screen. Then you should give a name to your clock. Tap on the clock name button and type it in. Click on the button done at the top and then click on next. Here you should tap on the tap here to set button to set your sobriety date. Click on accept and tap on next. Then set the time of the year or the time of the day and tap on the button create. As you can see, your clock is being created. Here you can find it and check it out. So that's how you can keep track of your sobriety. Here you can see your milestones down below, your stats, the clock itself. You can check in, and here you can make adjustments and you can change it anytime you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.